When the pipes are leaking and the night feels long, when the water's rising and something feels wrong, when the pipes are bursting and the leaks won't subside, there's a team that's ready, rolling out with pride. From Athens to Monroe, they'll be on the way with a promise of service that saves your day. Locally owned with a heart so true, Plumber Pro is family, here for you. Better service, better plumbing every single time. When your life feels upside down, they make it all align. Hundreds of five-star stories shining through the rain. Plumber Pro Service and Drain. You'll never call another name. From burst pipes at midnight to that stubborn clog, they bring skill and kindness through the morning fog. Licensed and trusted with decades of pride. With every single call, they're right by your side. Every wrench they turn, every valve they mend, it's a job done right, beginning to end. When your home is hurting, when the pressure's high, they'll fix the leak and lift your spirit sky high. Better service, better plumbing every single time. When your life feels upside down, they make it all align. Hundreds of five-star stories shining through the rain. Plumber Pro Service and Drain. You'll never call another name. And they're the neighbor you can trust, the friend you can call. Big jobs or small ones, they handle it all. From septic tanks to kitchens, from drains to your main, they bring hope and heart to every domain. It's not just a business, it's a promise kept. A family of plumbers whose word is their best. Day or night, no matter when you call, Plumber Pro will catch you before you fall. Better service, better plumbing every single time. When your life feels upside down, they make it all align. More five-star stories than Athens has ever known. Plumber Pro Service and Drain. Turning houses into homes. So here's to the hearts, the hands that care, to the ones who show up when no one's there. Plumber Pro Service and Drain, remember the name. In the story of your home, they're the heroes in the frame.